Small business owners are paying $50 to $100 for a single email sequence. Here's how to write one in 60 seconds using Claude AI. Go to Google and type Claude.ai and then in Claude type this prompt. Write a 3 email welcome sequence for bakery called Crumbs & Co. Here you can write any company name you want. Yes, the tone should be friendly enough. Email 1 should be welcome, email 2 should be the best seller, and email 3 should be the special offer. And then you hit enter. And then you will see Claude will start working on that immediately. And after a few moments, it will write all 3 emails. Here you can see email 1 with the subject line, welcome to the Crumbs & Co family. In this very first email, you will basically say that you are very happy that your customer has signed up and the services your company will offer in a best possible way. And in the second email, you will tell your customer about some of the best selling products. Like for example here, the twice baked almond croissant, lemon and elderflower drizzle cake, very tough name. And the third one is brown butter chocolate chunk cookies. You can also include some kind of urgency like pre-order for tomorrow. And in the third email, you just pitch a special offer and that's it. And Claude will also tell you the strategy behind each email. For example, when you have to send those emails and what to offer in each email. Email 1 should be warm, personal and story-led. It introduces the brand basically. And email 2 should be some kind of social proof as a bestseller. And the email 3 should be offering something at a discounted price so that it converts. And also a 14-day expiry creates a gentle urgency. Now the question is how you can sell it, right? For that you have to go to the Fiverr website. To go to Google and type Fiverr and then you have to click here. Then you have to search email sequence for small business and click connect to top talent. You see those sellers? Yes, this is the exact service people are offering. So you can list your own today in Fiverr and you can ask for money for the service you are providing. Yes, this is as simple as that. This is just a highlight of one seller. In this advertisement, they are saying, I will create an email lead list for any business needs. And they are charging from £32. And you can see they already got 763 reviews. This is amazing. Another example is that from Paul, I will create a killer email sequence and he is charging from £100 and he got 5-star in review. So what are you waiting for? List your email sequence service in Fiverr today. And for your immediate action, I have created a full prompt sheet just for free. 10 prompts that cover 10 different services that you can sell this week. You can go to my school community and download it for free. The link is in the description below. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.